One day, after the coal mines was opened, Bertram tried to fire with old forgotten trucks.
Well, I tell you, that Bertram's gonna land himself in trouble if he carries on his thrill-seeking on the job. Goose me kilts! Oh, that's done it!
Sorry about that. Just doing some clearing around the mines here. Coal can be messy and noisy stuff, you know.
Bless me bagpipes! There's a truck on the loose!
Never fear, old and geriatric one. I shall save your precious truck from the clutches of the nefarious mine.
That truck's not even your gauge! How are you supposed to...
Tally-ho!
Whoa! Mind yourself! There's scaffold digging going on!
Giant TNTs. Now it started to... Awful sound across the mines. It was bridge-related, nothing but silent. Someday, the mine caught on fire, got exploded. The truck had TNTs, got burned down and exploded from the mines. First of all, Bertram got exploded from the mines and he got derailed. The mines got exploded all to pieces everywhere from coal. Till I first saw Bertram, he got hurt really badly and got pained.